Find and replace. If you want to find whether a particular word or phrase appears in a document or not, you do not need to read the entire document. LibreOffice Writer provides the Find feature to locate a word or phrase in the document. To find a word or phrase, follow these steps. Step 1. Open the Writer document in which you want to find a word or phrase and click on the Edit menu. Step 2. Select the Find button. This will open Navigation panel at the bottom of the Writer window. Step 3. Type the word or phrase in the text box. Step 4. Click on the search icon on the right side of the text box or press the Enter key. The first occurrence of the text in the document after the current position of the cursor will be highlighted. Step 5. Press the Enter key to move to the required occurrence of the text. Writer also allows you to substitute all or only the selected occurrences of a word with another word. This is called Find and Replace feature of Writer. To substitute a word or phrase with another word or phrase, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the Edit menu. Step 2. Select the Find and Replace option. The Find and Replace dialog box appears. Step 3. Type the existing word or phrase that is to be changed in the Find text box. Step 4. Type the new word or phrase in the Replace text box. Step 5. Click on the Find Next and Replace buttons for selective replacement of the text, or click on the Replace All button to replace all the occurrences of the text with the new text.